All right, guys, this is the Bosch 1.25 horsepower variable speed palm router. This thing is a really nice little tool, very easy to use. You have a ball bearing for your cord here, so this thing can easily be moved out of the way. You're not like trying to wrap it around things. It swivels easily. It's very easy to hold on to, and it's comfortable. You got a nice little kind of pocket for your hands here. It's cut out for that. Adjusting this is really easy. On the side here, you have up, down, you have unlock, and what that does is it just allows you to slide the base here up and down, and then if you lock, and then you can set it to that, set it to up, down, and basically now you can use your adjustments for those tiny adjustments, and then lock it out, and it's not going to move on you. Doesn't matter if you turn that or not, it won't move. Removing the bit is easy. Push down on there. We're going to adjust our collet here. It'll lock in place, and then you can take then you're going to take the wrench that it comes with, loosen this, pull this in and out. So really easy to use. This here kind of helps you if you have that up, down. If you unlock it, you adjust it, push down on this, take it off completely. For more of a handheld right now. You can't, but if I push down, I can just take this, slide the whole base off. It comes in a nice case with a straight edge guide on it. Just a really nice little router. I prefer corded routers most of the time because they just have more power. But I love the fact that this has a swivel cord. I can easily move this out of the way. One of the most frustrating things to me is definitely trying to work the cord around things. And having this swivel makes it a lot easier. You also have a long cord here, which I think it's about 6 foot. So it's plenty long enough without an extension cord in most cases. It has 16,000 to 35,000 RPMs. Again, so there's quite a bit of power, and that's one of the benefits of corded, is that you can adjust this and you can get up to 35,000 RPM. So quite a bit of power. Now the cut diameter is 1 5/16. But I really like this thing. It's easy to carry around. It's small. It has a lot of power. I have no problems with this thing on my door hinge jigs. That's usually what I use it for.